Hey guys, this is the home speaker from Google, and I'm going to do an unboxing. Let's take a look at the box. Some information about the home. Some logos here to show you what apps support it. Some more information. Information about the Google Assistant. Top of the box. So yeah, open it up. Alright, let's put that aside. Okay, so the inside box, looks like there's not much to the box. Oh, there's a pull tab here. So let's pull it. There's the home speaker. Cool. So looks like it just rests in there. And here is the cloth bottom. They're changeable bottoms that you could buy that will replace that one. There's a gold one, there's a mango one, I think there's a blue one, a black one, metallic ones. There's a bunch of other ones. There's a top. Okay. What else is in this box? Don't think there's anything in here. All right, there's some information about how to use your home device. It's telling you that the top is touch sensitive and you tap once to stop or pause, or play or pause, circle to change the volume, long press to talk to it, and information on how to plug it in, how to use OK Google and some example phrases to use. Wow, there's a lot of example phrases actually. All right. Information about the bases that I was just talking about, and your warranty. Also, that's what's inside the box is your power cable. So there's a nice little Google logo on there. And the power cable looks like it's not USB, so interesting. And I think that's everything's in the box. Actually, the box is really nice. It's nicely lined and everything too. So yeah, here is the Google Home speaker. If you like this video, let me know, and thanks for watching.